How to use the CFIA AIRS system for food import? CFIA AIRS system. The CFIA Automated Import Reference System, AIRS, can help food importers access the information they will need to import food successfully into Canada. Some of this information includes requirements by the Canadian Border Services, including product declaration, requirements for safe food for Canadian regulations, CFIA, and preventive control plan, instructions for documentation, condition of import, HS code. As a food importer, this is the #1 website you should bookmark on your calendar. The biggest problem for any import-export is custom clearance. In addition, it is important to note that CFIA has declared that no SFC license can be issued for the products that arrive at the border without an SFC license. This leaves a lot of question marks as to what happened next. Rejection back to the country of origin? Disposal in Canada? Be prepared to meet the requirements for food imports. The AIRS system is very easy to use. Download this free copy of the procedures for using the CFIA AIRS system on www.foodconsulting.com/how to use the CFIA AIRS system for food import/. We can help you with your preventive control plan and traceability plan to comply with the SFC license requirements. Our PCP plan development service is backed with CFIA compliance assistance. That means SFPM Consulting will train you to comply with the PCP requirements and support you for your CFIA inspection. Contact us at https://tidycall.com/consulting/strategy call so we can help you with compliance.